Is there a problem?
Yeah, my word on it.
Let's saddle up.
Yo!
He just too bad.
What exactly are we dealing with?
Another glorious day in the Corps.
All right, I'm in. It must have laid something inside his throat.
Let's get out of here. Let's get the hell out of here.
Goddamn town meeting.
We've got this far, we must go on. We have to go on. We've got this far.
I think we ought to discuss the bonus situation.
Hey. I might play around, but I want to get the hell out of here.
Looks like it's grown out of the chair. Like he exploded from inside.
Park and I feel that the bonus situation has never been on an equitable level.
I think we're gonna have to kill that goddamn thing right now.
Damage is probably seismic survey charges.
Check those corners. Another glorious.
Keep it tight, people.
They ain't paying us enough for this, man.
Right now they're being cocooned just like the others.
Let's not make snap judgments.
I only need to know one thing.